The 2025 Toyota Corolla GR is a hot hatch that continues to push the limits of performance and practicality. With its aggressive styling, rally-inspired engineering, and powerful turbocharged engine, it stands as a serious competitor in the performance hatchback market. Toyota's Gazoo Racing division has fine-tuned the Corolla GR to deliver a thrilling driving experience while maintaining the everyday usability that Corolla models are known for. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla GR features a turbocharged 1.6-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. Toyota has refined the powertrain for better responsiveness, making it one of the most exciting small cars to drive. The 6-speed manual transmission ensures an engaging experience, allowing drivers to make full use of the engine's power band. An advanced all-wheel drive system enhances grip and stability, ensuring strong performance on both dry and wet surfaces. The suspension system has been engineered for maximum precision, with sport-tuned dampers and reinforced chassis components improving handling and cornering capabilities. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving the driver full control on winding roads or track days. The braking system has also been upgraded, with high-performance brakes that provide strong stopping power and confidence during spirited driving. The exterior design of the 2025 Corolla GR showcases an aggressive stance with bold lines, flared wheel arches, and an aerodynamic body kit. The front fascia features large air intakes, a sporty grille, and LED headlights that give the car a modern yet intimidating look. Lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires enhance both aesthetics and performance. A rear spoiler and diffuser complete the aerodynamic enhancements, improving downforce and stability at high speeds. Inside the cabin, the Corolla GR is designed for both comfort and performance. The driver-focused cockpit includes premium materials such as suede-trimmed sport seats, carbon fiber accents, and aluminum pedals. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, including boost pressure, G-force readings, and lap times. A large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures connectivity and convenience, while an upgraded premium sound system adds to the driving experience. Toyota has also included a range of advanced safety and driver assist features to make the Corolla GR as practical as it is fun to drive. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all come standard, ensuring peace of mind whether on the highway or in city traffic. For 2025, Toyota has introduced new color options, lightweight materials for improved weight distribution, and subtle refinements to the engine and suspension. These upgrades further enhance the performance dynamics, making the Corolla GR even more capable on the road and track. The 2025 Toyota Corolla GR competes with models like the Honda Civic Type R, Volkswagen Golf R, and Hyundai Elantra N. However, its unique combination of a rally-inspired powertrain, all-wheel drive, and Toyota's reputation for reliability set it apart. With a balance of everyday usability and high-performance engineering, the Corolla GR remains an attractive choice for enthusiasts who want a practical yet thrilling ride. For those looking for a car that delivers excitement without compromising on reliability and modern technology, the Corolla GR is a standout option. Toyota continues to evolve its performance lineup, and the 2025 Corolla GR proves that hot hatches still have a place in the market. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Toyota Corolla GR. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews on the latest cars, make sure to subscribe to Next General Rides and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more exciting content.